Let's begin this bulletin now by bringing you the latest COVID-19 updates from India, where the Tamil Nadu state government has decided to reimpose a complete lockdown in Chennai and the adjoining areas to curb the spread of this virus. The southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu has now witnessed over 44,000 coronavirus cases, which makes it the second worst hit state in India. More than 80% of the state's cases are from 4 districts, which includes the capital city of Chennai, as well as its adjoining districts. It is not surprising, though, since Chennai and its nearby districts alone have a population of more than 2 crore. The uncontrollable spike in cases can be attributed to its higher population density. In recent days, the state of Tamil Nadu has seen nearly 2,000 COVID-19 cases daily. More than 1,500 of them are from Chennai and its adjoining areas. This has now prompted the government to resort to another lockdown. This comes after a high-level medical committee advised the state's chief minister. And this time around, it will be a 12-day lockdown from June 19th to 30th. So what does this mean? What would function and what wouldn't? Well, essential services including hospitals, labs, ambulances and allied services, state and central government offices will function with around 33% staff capacity. Vegetable grocery shops, petrol pumps are open from 6 a.m. until 2 p.m. Hotels will only allow takeaways from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m. while taxis, autos and other private vehicles are permitted only for medical emergencies. Banks can function only on 29th-30th June with 33% staff, while ATMs and other related operations will be open throughout. Construction work with local workers can function. The transport of all essential goods and services will function as usual. The incoming and outgoing travellers will have to obtain an e-pass. Flights and trains, ships will operate based on current rules. However, on 2 Sundays, that is on the 21st and the 28th of June, only essential government services can function. Now, above all, the state government has emphasized one thing. This deadly pandemic can be reined in only with active public cooperation and precautionary measures.
Southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu has seen over 44,000 total coronavirus cases, and over the last couple of days the daily increase in the state has been over 1,900 cases. This has meant that the state government has been asked and advised by the expert medical committee to go in for a 12-day lockdown. This 12-day intense lockdown has been imposed in 4 districts including the capital city of Chennai. Namely, they are Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Chengalpet and Chennai. More than 80% of the state's 44,000 cases belong in these 4 districts. So, well, what does the 12-day lockdown mean? The 12-day lockdown means that state and central government offices in these particular districts will function only with 33% staff. The only services that would majorly be functioning are government services, including those of hospitals, ambulances and their allied services. With regards what is open for the public, stores selling essential commodities will be open from 6 a.m. until 2 p.m. and the same applies also to petrol pumps. ATMs will be open throughout the lockdown. But besides this, public transport will not be allowed, and even private vehicles, auto rickshaws and taxis will be allowed only when they are applying for medical emergencies. Of course, electronic and print media also have been exempt. Hotels have been instructed only to give takeaway, and no dine-in facility will be allowed during this period. Besides this 12-day lockdown that is lasting from 19th of June to 30th of June, during the 2 Sundays within this lockdown itself, the government has said that there will be absolutely no relaxations and only the government and essential services will be functioning during that period. The government hopes that this extended lockdown or this new enhanced lockdown will bring down the coronavirus cases in Tamil Nadu, particularly in the 4 worst hit districts of Tamil Nadu. With regards to transport, that is for travellers going out of these districts or coming into these districts, travel will only be possible based on the obtaining of an e-pass which is issued by the Tamil Nadu government authorities. From Chennai, this is Siddharth MP. We on World is One.